The first step is to go to the apple in the upper left-hand corner and click More Info. Once you click More Info, click the Memory tab. Then you will be able to see what type of memory you need after this text is read. Once you do that, you can shut down your computer. Then, with your computer shut down, flip it over and take out the 8 screws on the back. Don't be afraid to give it a little pull when you try to take off the back cover. Here, you can see the RAM. To take out the RAM, push it down and pull the pins apart, just like so. Then gently remove the RAM from its compartment. Do the same with the second piece of RAM. You might have to nudge it a little to make sure it comes out safely. Now, take your new RAM and insert it at an angle, starting by inserting the bottom RAM first. Make sure the incision at the bottom matches the nudge in the case so that it doesn't damage the RAM when inserting it. Push in gently until you hear a click. Now, put your case back on and insert the screws once again. This should only take